If you don't like grilled cheese sandwiches, I don't know what's wrong with you, because man, they're so good. Woo, buddy. Man, that's so good. Have you ever wondered the secret to it? The perfect grilled cheese sandwich? And let me tell you the secret. Watch, I'm gonna show you right now. Let me show you. The secret is this right here. You gotta get American cheese. That's the secret. Don't be buying nothing else. I'm telling you, you wanna make the perfect grilled. Now you can use other cheeses, but man, I'm trying to tell you, you use American cheese, man, that grilled cheese is gonna taste amazing. Let me show you what else you gotta get real quick. Another secret is the bread that you use. Now the bread I like to use is this right here, the Sara Delightful white bread. This stuff tastes great, I'm telling you, and it's great if you're on a low carb diet. You can use this bread. I'm telling you, it's so soft. You got to try this bread out. One slice of this bread is 45 calories, all right? So you don't have to, it's not gonna set you back too much, okay? So you can actually have 2 grilled cheeses and really get to town, all right? So let's go home and make this grilled cheese. But I'm trying to tell you, get this bread right here, Sara Delightful, 45 calorie white bread, all right? You get that American cheese. We're gonna grab some butter. If you have butter at the house, use that. Whatever kind of butter you wanna use. I just use straight butter off the stick. And we're just gonna make these grilled cheeses real quick, all right? Y'all, I'm here to show you how to make the perfect grilled cheese sandwich. I'm trying to tell you, you have to get this cheese right here. Now you can make it with other cheese if you want to, but this American cheese, it just comes off the block, just totally different. If you know, you know this American cheese. If you can find it, grab you some American cheese. That's a secret right there, I'm trying to tell you. And I told you, I'm just gonna use the block of butter, keeping it real. Now look here, this is 1 serving of the cheese, all right? 28 grams or 1 ounce. You need to weigh it out. You're gonna mess around and put half that block on this sandwich. Yeah, it's gonna taste good, but it's really gonna throw your macros off. So this is one serving, okay? So I'm gonna cook 2 of them just to show you, all right? So since I'm cooking 2 of them to show you, guess what? I'm gonna have to eat both of them. All right, here we go. So what I like to do, it's already kind of preheated. I like to do this here. Let me show you. This is so simple, guys. Anybody can do this. Just watch yourself. You might burn yourself a little bit. But I like to keep this. There you go. Bam. Hit it with that. You're just gonna layer it on here. This is so simple. I'm trying to tell you. But it is so worth it. You're gonna be making these a lot. You watch now. You're gonna be making these a lot. And then all you do, I just like to heat it up a little bit. Throw a little bit on this top right here too. Just get a little bit on there. You don't have to do too much. Now, the reason why I like to heat this up and put on this bread, because you ever try to put a cold piece of butter on the bread, you're gonna rip it apart, okay? So keep it on, medium, low, medium, around that heat there. You don't wanna leave it on here because it'll cook quick. All right, so you don't wanna leave it on too long. But we're gonna flip it. Let me show you what we're working with here. All right, let's go ahead, flip it over. Look at that, nice and toasted now. Look, check that out. Move it around. I like to get that little more butter in there. So I would say check it after about a minute, because you don't want it to be on there too long, because then it's going to burn real quick. But look at that. Ooh, nice and toasty. You see that? I don't know if you hear that. That's nice and toasty. This cheese just melting in here now. Look at that. Ooh, buddy, come on now. All right, now in minutes, look at this. Look what we got here. Grilled cheese sandwich in minutes. Only took maybe 3 minutes to make. All right, it's so simple. I'm going ahead and cut this joker up. Look at that. Let's go ahead and cut it. Let me show you this cheese in here. Boy, look, it just fell apart. Look at that. See that cheese? Can you see that cheese? Ooh, it's steaming now. Come on, look at that. I mean, you cannot beat a grilled cheese sandwich. If you don't like grilled cheese sandwiches, I don't know what's wrong with you, because man, they're so good. Ooh, buddy. Man, that's so good. I'm trying to tell you right now, you gotta try this. Go find you that cheese, that American cheese. If you can't find American cheese, I mean, you can roll with like a cheddar. You can even do mozzarella. That melts really good as well. But man, if you can find that American cheese, you got to find that. Man, that is so good. I'm still chewing on it. Man, that's so good. I'm trying to tell you, just 1 sandwich, 190 calories, around 12 carbs, because each slice of bread is 6 grams of net carbs, around 10 grams of fat, and around 10 grams of protein. Now, grilled cheese sandwich, I like to get higher protein meals. Of course, this is kind of like a yummy snack, man. I'm trying to tell you, kids love it too. I like to personally get more protein in my meal. So what I would do, if I was gonna have this for a lunch, I'm trying to tell you, man, it's so good, you gotta try this. Now, a couple of options, I would side with it, because if you're just having a grilled cheese sandwich, unless it's just for like a quick snack, it's not enough protein. Personally, for me, I need to get a little more protein in each meal, unless I just need like a little snack, you know what I'm saying? It's all good. But what I would do, side it with the ratio yogurt. Now this joker has 25 grams of protein in it. I love these little containers. You can keep these. They're so easy to use, man. You go get you some of these. The flavors are great. If you try ratio yogurt, you know. If you know, you know on these yogurts, man. I'm trying to tell you, these yogurts are great. Find them at Walmart, HEB, Kroger. Everybody has ratio, all right? So check that out. 25 grams of protein with the quickness. If you don't want to roll with the ratio, you don't like what's in it, ingredients, then just go ahead and get you some regular old yogurt. This is I prefer the 2% because I can just eat the 2% by itself. It tastes great. I also get the fat-free sometimes whenever I'm rolling more or less fat, but I like the 2%, man. I can eat this straight up, throw some granola on it. You put a little honey on it, throw some berries in that yogurt. Man, it tastes great. It'll go perfect with that grilled cheese sandwich, okay? Now, if you don't want to go the yogurt route, yeah, buddy, you know what time it is. You already know about this Good Culture. If you can find Good Culture, go get you some. Now, I'll either have a serving of this, which is half a cup, or these little jokers right here. This little joker right here, grab you 19 grams of protein with the quickness as well. You can have that on the side of that grilled cheese sandwich. Easy way to bump up your protein goals. But if you can find the Good Culture, I went to the store. If you can find a Good Culture, grab you some, grab you a few of them because they're sold out everywhere. I've had people tell me, man, I haven't seen them in weeks. So I'm just trying to tell you, if you can find them, go get them, okay? Some people tell me you can buy them at Walmart. I've never seen them at Walmart, but I get them at HEB or Kroger. But man, Good Culture, if you know on this, okay? So grab you some, side it with something like that, or you can even, you already know, them Quest chips, man. If you know on these Quest chips, easy way to get you some protein. This little joker right here, coming in at 18 grams of protein, the nacho flavor. I just get the big 4 count, all right? Man, this is a easy way to add some more protein to your grilled cheese sandwich. You can even have a Quest chip, have you some yogurt and that grilled cheese sandwich and make a whole meal out of it. Man, you got your protein right there. It's so good, so easy. I'm just here to show you easier ways that you can try to hit your protein goals and make it as tasty as possible. Don't let nobody tell you you can't have a grilled cheese sandwich because grilled cheese sandwiches are great, man. I love grilled cheese sandwiches. I'm just trying to tell you, if I'm gonna make a grilled cheese sandwich, it's gonna taste good, all right? This is the secret right here, okay? The American cheese. This is what you gotta get. I'm trying to tell you, if you find this American cheese, go make your grilled cheese sandwich and report back to me because you're gonna be like, man, you weren't lying. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm telling you the truth. I keep it real. This cheese right here is the way to go. You're gonna see how it melts. The flavor tastes amazing. It's just, I don't know how else to explain it. You're gonna love this cheese. Watch now. So what you do, just take that butter like I showed you, put it on the pan, then put it on the bread, weigh out the cheese, put it in there, boom, boom, flip it over a couple times. It's gonna be ready about 2-3 minutes. Make sure you watch it now because if you don't watch it, that joker's gonna burn quick. Okay, so you gotta make sure you watch it, keep your eye on it. And I mean, you don't have to feel too bad about eating it. It's just a grilled cheese sandwich, right? Unless you're against cheese, like this kind of cheese, you can also make a grilled cheese sandwich with low-fat cheese. You can do that as well. Go get you some fat-free or low-fat cheese and kind of do the same thing. It's just not gonna taste as good as this. I guarantee it, all right? Write this down on your list because be looking for it, all right? Get the American, okay? You gotta get the American cheese. I can't stress that enough, all right? I've done plenty of grilled cheeses with all kinds of other ones, but this one right here, boom, that's the route you need to go. Grab you that bread, try out that bread. That Sara Lee's no joke, I'm trying to tell you. Try out that bread if you know on that bread. Or if you're gonna use another one, let me know in the comments and I'll go check out that bread as well. If you don't like this Sara Lee white bread, let me know what kind of bread you would use and maybe I'll go try out that bread as well. I'm always looking to try out new things. But hopefully these tips help you. I'm gonna keep making these sandwiches. I've made them all my life. I'm gonna keep making them. Kids love them, family loves them, man. Come on now, you can't beat it. Well, I'm still gonna get on this one. I'm trying to tell you, look at that. It's already got a bite taken out of it. I'm about to tear this up. I'm gonna probably have me a Quest chip and some yogurt. I feel like having some yogurt right now, so I'll probably knock down something like that. But man, don't sleep on these grilled cheese sandwiches. They're so easy to make. You can make them in minutes and get you some of this, all right? I'll talk to y'all next time. Let's keep getting better. Let's go.